Remove the poly V-belt on the M276 engine. Remember to put fender protectors on the vehicle. First, remove the top engine cover. Then remove the air ducts. Continue with the charge air ducts. We start on the driver's side. Undo the screw of the charge air duct to the turbocharger. Then remove the clamp. Then remove the central retaining screw of the charge air duct. Then undo the screw on the clamp of the charge air cooler. Now you can remove the charge air duct. Close the openings with the appropriate covers. First on the turbocharger, then the charge air cooler. Do the same with the left charge air duct as well. Then continue with the charge air cooler. Unlock the retaining clip and move the cooler forward. Caution! In newer vehicles a shorter clip is installed. Unclip this using a plastic wedge. Next, disconnect the electrical connector at the temperature sensor and the charge air pressure sensor on the front of the brake flap. Then take off the bleed line at the charge air cooler. Now undo the clamp and remove the charge air cooler downwards. Seal the openings with protective covers. Relax the belt and remove it. Then check it for damage or wear. Also check the pulleys thoroughly. Installation is in the reverse order. Note the routing diagram of the poly V-belt.